Okay, so good morning, everyone. So today we're going to learn how to use the layers dialog. Okay, so these are layers. You can see here, naka-pop up siya. So layers, channels, and then the paths too. So sa layers natin, wala pa siyang nakalagay kasi since wala pa tayong canvas. So if we want to create the canvas, see here. So we're going to create 100 plus. So click new, same size pa rin, 500 by 500 pixels. So, zoom in lang natin siya. So, again, zoom in ko siya by the control key and then the mouse wheel. Okay? So, just wait for a bit. And, okay. Yan, para mas makikita ninyo din yung aking keyboard right here and then yung mouse ko. So, now, as you can see, we have here the background. So, lumitaw na po sa aking layers dialog. Okay? So, sa layers dialog natin kung ano yung ating create na bago, ang unang pangalan niya is yung background. But then, if you create another layer right over here, so okay, so lalabas po dito yung ating layers dialog once we click it and then you can see the layer name. Okay, so tingnan natin. With the width of 500 and 500, sinusundan niyo lang po. And then yung fill width natin is transparency. Let's leave it at this as a transparent. No? So every time na maglalagay tayo ng any design, hindi po siya magagalaw, masisira. So click natin, transparency 500, 500 layer. Okay? So click OK. So you can see here, we have the layer. And then if we add another one, it will change the name to be layer number one. And then again, layer number two. Oh, so we have four layers, the background layer, layer number one, then layer number two. Okay? So, if you have too much layer na hindi naman din siya kailangan, okay, be aware kung anong layer din yung gusto ninyong burahin o tanggalin. Kasi once you deleted that layer, mawawala na po yung layer na yun. So, how do we delete this layer, extra layers natin? So, we have here the delete layer button. Dito po siya. So, click lang natin yung delete layer button. So, mawawala na siya. Okay? So, we have now two layers natin, the layer and then background. So, paano naman natin papalitan yung pangalan ngayon ng ating layer? So, we just have to double click the name. See, then the text box will show or pop up. And then going to type in what is the name of our layer. So, this will help you to identify what is on that layer. Okay? On our upcoming activities. So, very helpful tong ating layers ito. So, just going to change it for the foreground. So, since we have the background, let's have our foreground. Yeah. So, now we have the background and then the foreground um, layers natin. Well, now, so if we draw, here, no, let's use the rectangle selector. Pag-aralan. Okay? So, rectangle selector natin. Yan. So, unavailable yung right click. But then if you right click, lalabas po dito yung ating um, menu bar. So, ating menu bar dito na tayo kita. So, let's fill this one with the color. So, we have the yellow. And then let's create another layer. So, let's paint it now with a um, circle right on top. Pata natin yung kulay niya. Pwedeng red. Okay. And then let's fill this one again. So as you can see, this is our canvas. Pag in-export po natin to, kung ano yung nakikita nyo image or kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa canvas natin, yan yung lalabas doon sa ating exported images natin. For example, ayaw natin ng ganitong um, positioning ng ating layer. So we can just move the layers so by clicking it and then dragging it on top of the another layer or bring it down. See there? So if we had another one, okay, so I'll just use a brush na lang for this one. So for the brush, let's use the star. Yan. So we have small star. Papalakihin natin. And then now we have a bigger star. So let's change this one to color blue. Yan. So with the color blue. And then, oh, ayan. So, nagkulay siya doon sa baba nung red circle natin. As you can see, nasa taas kasi, nasa topmost layer yung ating um, red circle. So, pag inangat natin to, okay. So, pwede rin naman, we have here the buttons, the up and down button, para iangat and ibaba yung ating layers. No? So, that is our um, for the layering natin. Okay? So, let's delete this one. Now, let's try to open an image by using the open as layer. So, from file, and then we have this open as layers. So, I have set of images na pwede natin gamitin. Ayan. So, these are the images. So, click natin open. So, again, this is what I click is open as layer from the file book, no? From the file in menu bar. So, let's just wait. Ayan. So, naglo-load na sila. And yung ibang images ko ay medyo malaki. So, no problem. We just have to rescale. Papalitin lang natin. Yan. Sobrang laki nila lahat. Okay? So, again, file and then just going to click on open as layer. Okay? So, Control Alt O yung ating shortcut key. So, medyo malaki images natin. So, medyo scale down natin. So, this one. Yan. So, scale tool. So, medyo malaki. So, adjust ako ng aking canvas. Zoom out ako. Zoom out. Yan. So, i-rescale ko lang sila. Yan. So, para maging maliit. And then, click scale. Teka lang mag-scale. Okay. So, click ko na naman yung another layer. Since selected natin yung layer na yan, hindi natin sila ma-adjust. Ayan. So, adjust lang natin to. Scale. And then another one. Okay. So, ito yung mga images na ginamit ko. Just for this example. Okay. Yan. So, as you can see here, meron siyang lumalabas na yellow dash line, no? May dash line na kulay yellow. Meaning, yan po yung selected na image natin. So, if you click this on this one, ayan, gagalaw kung sino yung kiniklik natin. Ayan, selected natin sila eh. Okay? Kaya siya ngayon um, gumagalaw. Okay? So, pag click natin yung background natin, ayan, selected natin as a whole. So, adjust natin to. Makita niyo natatapakan yung ulo niya. So, adjust lang natin. So, ito gagawin natin. Sorry. Ito, ibababa natin siya sa baba. Ayan. And then this one, adjust natin. So, kapag in-adjust natin to pataas, o pababa pala, sorry, ayan. Makikita ninyo na nag-overlap yung ating images. So, that is the importance on how you're going to use the positioning, layer positioning dito sa ating game app. So, that will be all for the layers. Okay, hope you learned something for today. Thank you.